This is the employer's voice. If your business operates in the steel industry, you need to watch this. I'm Gerard Papenfuss, Chief Executive of NIASA. What I'm about to tell you is time critical. We have 3 working days left. In 2024, large employers under CIFSA concluded a 3-year wage agreement at the MEIBC. Under that agreement, entry-level unskilled employees must be paid a minimum of 71 Rand per hour. Cost to company, that is 99 Rand per hour. That amounts to 17,000 Rand per month for somebody with no skill and no experience. CIFSA will soon move to extend this agreement to every employer in the sector, including you. This extension requires a vote at the Bargaining Council. Let me be direct about what this extension means. It does not matter whether you signed this agreement. You did not. It does not matter whether you took part in the negotiations. You were not there. It does not matter whether you can afford these wage rates. That is not even a consideration. Should this agreement be extended, you will be legally required to pay 99 Rand per hour at entry level and significantly higher wages to every other more skilled employee. The consequences are legal and financial. The only way to stop this extension is to beat the vote. Here is how it works. For NIASA to formally oppose this extension at the Bargaining Council, we need to demonstrate sufficient representativeness. Although NIASA is already the single largest employer organization on the MEIBC, we additionally need employers in this sector. We collectively employ at least a further 25,000 workers to join NIASA. We are not there yet. The deadline is 30 June. That is 3 working days from today. This is a numbers game. If we do not reach this target, the vote will most likely succeed. The agreement will be extended and your business will carry the cost. We cannot do this without you. NIASA has the legal standing, the expertise and the will to fight this, but we can only fight if the numbers support us. If you are a steel or engineering employer and you are not yet a member of NIASA, join before 30 June. And share this now with anyone you know in the steel industry. This is one of those moments where standing together is the only option. Do not let it pass.